I forgot to click live.
Yep. Well, at least you're not muted today.
There we go. Let's log into Ortex really quick.
Litex? Why are you talking? Why are you looking at Litex?
They tweeted a couple seconds ago about AMC. I think they said their SI went up. Let's check that. Do we
From
hit new
two,
highs on spies today or what?
don't you know stocks only go up?
Let's see. Sava's looking good, man. Pre-market. Ooh, boy. Let's look at ANY.
Yeah. AMI is actually what? I
Ooh,
think it went up $2 or something. No,
it
shit. Is
tanked.
that it? Oh, okay, that's it. Yeah, I was looking at that one this morning
It
too.
came down to 6. So somebody took profits pre-market. I think we got the
What's the
jobs report.
volume? What's the volume on it?
I don't know. I have to check. Probably a couple million. Morning, stacks a lot. AMC short interest is at 18%, so it went up like 2%.
From 2 weeks ago? Sure.
2 days ago.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
Sometimes I feel like they're lying
Why do you think I call them Litex?
on AMC.
I think they lie on all of them.
The last time they reported the low SI, they got a lot of hate, and ever since then they haven't reported a low SI. It's like they're almost afraid. But the
Afraid of what?
utilization went down 2%. Today's pumping up is Clover, 939. Yeah, this one popped up yesterday. This little spike here to 880s, but now it's a 940 again.
Oh, good Lord.
Not looking bad for Zoom or Salva either.
I'll be quiet.
Let's see.
You're hurting my feelings.
Uh-oh, AMC's coming down. The hedge funds are back. Morning,
They
Boker.
never left.
43, 37, 36. Yesterday's low was 42.50s. And usually Fridays are pretty bad for AMC. They take a hit of. Isn't the market close on Monday?
Yep.
Huh. I almost forgot about that.
That's why the swaps all have to settle today.
Morning, William. Another Dogecoin today, William?
Well, it went down to like 18 cents. So yeah, he's not real happy.
Oh, it came back down?
I'm kidding. I don't know. I haven't looked at it.
Oh,
I'm just trolling. And he's most likely replying back.
let's see. ANY is kind of looking like poop. BBIG was the other one that was pretty hot. Ooh, new low, $7.10. It's actually coming down as well. The other one was Spurt SPRT. Let's see how that one's holding up today. On
Coming
this
down to
beautiful Friday morning. It's actually green. Not too bad.
wait, is it?
It's up only 1%, but it's kind of still flat. It's not moved a lot in comparison to yesterday's price action. But when you compare the stock to like BBAG or ANY, it's holding it better than some of these other stocks. So not bad. Clover's actually the one that was leading the pack this morning. Just pull up the TNS for AMC. Times in sales. Wasn't CRVS the stock the Moran spot? Yes, he's the one that bought the stock. CRVS. He wanted me to cover this one, right? I said I would never buy this ever. No, what was it this one? Because this one just had IPO'd. I'm not able to scroll back. Oh, there we go. No. Oh, it is this one. Actually, I think I was wrong on this one. Right? He mentioned it like when it was at $2. I just wouldn't buy it because look at the order flow. No one's buying this. You'll get stuck holding
Yeah,
this stock.
he bought it 2015.
I wonder why he bought this stock. He never gave me a reason. That's very interesting
Uh,
though.
somebody in his chat gave him the ticker, and I don't know. Let's see, that's Corvus, right? Corvus Pharmaceuticals.
I don't know. I didn't see. Oh, yes.
Um,
Spoke too soon on
I don't
SPRT.
remember. I don't remember the exact details.
That's one thing. It's one of my rules. I don't like trading off tips. If someone says buy this stock because it's going to so and so, that's like the biggest red flag to me. Like you want to have your own observations and judgments too.
Right.
That's one of
Well,
the
he looked.
that was probably one of the biggest red flags when Rand's mentioned that stock. Like, what do you think of this? And well, he didn't tell me to buy though, but he's just like, what do you think of this?
Right.
CRVS, I spoke a little too soon. It was actually holding up fairly nicely like 30 seconds ago. Now we're hitting new lows. But AMC is somewhat nicely bouncing at 43. Hopefully today's not a flat day. Yesterday we said AMC was going to close at 44. And look at the price it actually closed at. 44.20, something around this price level. So we were kind of spot on that. This today I would probably, I don't even know. I'll take a guess later, right before we end the stream. Need to get a feel for AMC right now. But SPRT's not looking too strong right now. What's going on, Ruben? I almost bought a 213 the other day and waited. Moran sold though, pretty sure. Is Moran's doing well? I haven't heard of him in the chat
No,
or anything.
no, he's recuperating. I guarantee you. I mean, I think he tweeted something out, or yeah, he tweeted something out last night, I think, or night before last. But other than that, yeah.
Is AMC gonna do the same thing it did yesterday? Pull on back at open and just reverse completely and go green? I feel like that's what it's trying to do right now. What's with that stock? MMAT. This was brought up yesterday. This was the one I think that had the merger, right? With like 9% short interest on Ortex. MMAT. Saba had a nice little rally to 64, but now it's pulling on back to 57. I think some people are trying to unload the bags here, take some profits, but we're looking for 70. Zoom, I'm looking for 300 plus, and it's still kind of flat here at 294. SPRT new lows, 21. Which one of these stocks get halted first, guys? SPRT, Clover, BBIG, A and Y. I remember Torchlight. SPRT new low, 2070. AMC not looking bad. The rug is getting pulled.
Well, we knew it would be.
Look at the bounce on this candle. It's nuts. It goes from 260 to 299. That is insane. Go to Twitter. See what Jim Cramer. Let's see what my uncle's talking about.
You heard it here, guys.
He hasn't tweeted in a couple days about stocks. Interesting. I wonder what he's up to.
Somebody I read somewhere that even his videos for Mad Money were pulled from CNBC.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't ever confirm it, but I think it was reported in one of the Reddit groups.
AMC just slightly tapped green here. It's doing exactly what it did yesterday. Pulled on back and just reversed. The stock is so unpredictable now. GameStop 213 as well. Going green from red. Uncle JC is worried about Broadcom. Let's see what's trending. Drake is
Broadcom was
trending.
on there.
Labor Day. Yeah, market is closed Monday, guys. Wonder what I'm gonna do Monday. go back to Spurt. A and Y still coming down. Which one of these bad boys gets halted first? 693. See, this is why I don't like swing trading at some point, especially with these stocks. You just can't predict this. You can't. You wake up and you're like, what the hell happened? The stock was looking good for after hours yesterday. It closed pretty decently after hours. And out of nowhere, you end up with this. AMC is moving up, baby. 44.40. My closing price guess today is 45.75. Heard it here first, man. I'm gonna give it today. 45.75 is my guesstimate. Let's take a look at SPY. See what we're doing with the overall market. And we're red at least somewhat a little bit. Let's see Nasdaq.
Okay, let's see. You're ever the optimist, so I've got to divide your number by 10.
$4.
Well, if I'm the bear and you're the bull, yeah, of course.
Stacks a lot said the same thing. I'm gonna go with 45.75. That's my guess closing price today. Uh-oh,
He
Zoom.
doesn't know anything.
Zoom, baby. We're looking for 300 on Zoom. Let's go, baby. Come on, Zoom. Zoom and Salva are the same exact play, same exact pattern. Zoom has that nasty, nasty, nasty gap to close. New high on Zoom. Salva, if you don't know, had a nice rally to 64 pre-market, but we pull on back. And on the daily, look at this. It has another gap to close. Not as crazy as Zoom's, but I'm still expecting a push. And Rob, I know, wants Salva to tank so he could get filled in on his order.
You bet.
What was your first reaction when you saw Salva at pre-market?
I wanted to cry.
Yeah, because that would have been like $10 profit per share right there.
Absolutely. Guys, I'm going to put one of you on this grill.
Was it Ruben? I'm saying we beat the Marantz theory, AMC above 50 and GameStop above 250 today. The Marantz theory is that AMC comes down on Fridays and Thursdays. Which is true. AMC is usually notoriously known for tanking on Fridays. CNBC YouTube has one Mad Money video. I normally see way more. I think Kramer's time is coming to an end, maybe. I don't know. Choosing between the Ferrari or the McLaren, first world problems. I would have to go with the McLaren. Spend some time with your Uncle Kramer. I'm gonna give him a quick text. Be like, hey, what's up with the Mad Money videos? Are you getting delisted or what? Let's look at the SI for SPRT on Ortex. I know this was pretty high. It's like 70 something. Let's see. Did it drop? Uh-oh.
Yeah, Kyoto.
It's at 69.
Jobs report.
Yeah, the jobs report came out. 69%. The Lotus car is ugly. For those of you who have never been in that car, it's too small. It's too small of a car. And I think they stopped making Lotuses now.
I don't think so. I don't know. I don't think so.
GameStop's SI. GameStop just went green again. 12% SI. Morning, Pam. So SPY will hit a new all-time high. Most likely, we had 12 new all-time highs in August. But today, we're not looking too juicy. There has to be somewhat of a catalyst, I think, that could send the stocks coming down. Like the Rona in 2020. Maybe a war?
Oh, good God. What is it with you people?
What, the wars or what?
Yes. Let's solve it with war.
GameStop, new high, baby. Keep talking about war. It keeps on going higher. There's going to be probably an imbalance today since it's the end of the week and we have a holiday on Monday. But SPY's not looking good. Let's set some alerts. Is Apple coming down? Man, 153. We're talking about the potential of a 160 on Apple, but not there yet. I mean, I wouldn't fit in there, but it looks nice. I don't know about the price tag.
Let's see. We got quadruple witching day next month, don't or this
Oh
month,
man,
don't we?
don't let the YouTuber hear about that because they're gonna pump it up like last time. Do you remember? You remember the? I still remember the first quadruple witching in regards to AMC and GameStop. Like I still remember it. Everyone was going crazy over it. Squeeze is gonna happen on Friday on quadruple witching day. I was like, I don't know about that, man. That's when I started
and
catching on to
a big old goose egg was laid. That was funny.
the what?
And a big old goose egg was laid. I
Everybody.
mean, nothing.
That's when I initially first started catching on that every catalyst was a nothing burger. Nothing happened,
Hmm.
and the opposite. The stocks went down. That's when
Yeah,
I started catching on to like, oh man, these people were chasing nothing. And I remember stocks went down that day for quad witching day. AMC was red that day, and GameStop was red, and everybody was confused. Depending on what model, just had one for 118K, and the part of the price went up because they don't make them anymore.
they do. Somebody up above just told you that.
Oh, there was a dealer here that closed down as well. A Lotus dealer, and they closed down. So, uh, oh, I guess they do still make them.
Crypto, you can let Kyoto handle your account while you're sleeping.
Oh yeah, Lotus car confirms new 4 electric models. Nice.
See, so they're not closed down. Ah,
I thought they were. They look like little McLarens. Stocks on Wall Street open lower after weak jobs report. Tesla delays the Cybertruck to late 2020. Oh my gosh, stop with the delays. We're still
hey,
above 7 on this.
they gotta build up expectation and hype. So yeah, they're gonna keep saying, oh, and they move it out another 6 months, and then they move it out another 8 months, and yeah.
Spy's looking toppy right now. We're still waiting for that new high here on AMC. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Break 440. Oh, it just broke. 44.50. Everything is going electric. I feel bad for the oil and gas industry. LOL. I'm glad I stopped working. Zoom, baby. I'm glad I stopped working for the oil field. It's slow right now. Go! Zoom, we're going for 300, baby. Come on. Somebody here has to have Zoom with me. Maybe in 10 years, Eric. Happy Labor Day weekend. Absolutely, guys. The market is closed on Friday. I mean, on Monday.
The market is closed on Friday.
On
Oh
Monday,
crap!
Monday.
What are we watching?
What are
What
we
are
gonna
we
do on
watching?
Monday? What are we gonna do on Monday, guys? You want me to day trade your Dogecoin crypto? I get
Hey,
20%.
there you go. You should still be able to trade. You should still be able to trade cryptos. You could do a crypto show, which you've been talking about forever and a day.
I got bummed out. I got hacked on my crypto wallet. I even had another friend. She actually won a giveaway with she won one entire Bitcoin at 32K from this one YouTuber. This one YouTuber gave out one entire Bitcoin, which at the time was worth 32,000, and she was scared of getting hacked. She messaged me, and yes, I told her to hold. I told her don't sell it, and now it's worth what 50K. She was actually also scared of getting hacked because somebody sent her a screenshot of her exact wallet address with however much Bitcoin she had, and the hacker said, "You're lucky. I'm not a mean guy, but I could have stole your money." And I was kind of confused. I'm like, wait, they can't do that. They can't just pull money out of your account like that. But I just told her to put the two-factor authorization and all that. Get a text when you log into your account. That's what I recommend for you
Yeah.
guys to do. That's what I'd not do, which is stupid. But I don't know about the crypto show. I know Willie wants you to trade Dogecoin. That's what he wants to see. Don't feel bad.
Yeah.
Lotus is great for midgets driving on a track only. They suck everywhere else and don't get into a wreck with them. They're very small vehicles, absolutely. I would agree. AMC coming down. The hedge funds are back, man. They just woke up. How's Saba doing? Only if it would have held 60. We need a recovery today. Don't come back down to 54. Sava 298. I'm still looking for Tesla to come on down today as well. Spy's about to hit a new low here. Look at that flow of red. Don't you just love to see red? Look at this. Come on down. Come on
Come
down.
on, Mark.
Come on down,
Come on, Mark.
Spy.
Keep going, baby.
Tech is still holding up a little stronger. $56. What do you mean 56, Almo?
Sava, I think, is what he's talking about.
Oh, that's your closing price estimate? My closing price estimate for today for AMC is 45.75. Stocks usually drop after Labor Day, right? I don't know. You would expect it to be before. That's not that's a miss for Tesla. Let's see. Let's go back to Ortex, refresh this, because we were at 18% SI for AMC. Surprisingly, 18.2% SI for AMC. It's almost back to 19. The all-time high for the SI being for AMC like 20% or so. But that fee isn't like not looking good. Heat map check. Looking fairly dull. My crypto exchanges glitched the other day and started sending out alerts that everything had dropped 40 to 50%. It was about 20 minutes of total panic for me. What wallet was that, Pam? I think you mentioned that, Rob, no?
What?
The treasury running out of cash.
Oh well, it might run out before the end of the year, before the end of the fiscal year. Somehow they keep digging up, 60 billion here, 90 billion there, but they're on the downtrend.
Any new DD on Reddit that you've pulled up?
Yep. No,
Oh,
I'm
it
telling
wasn't
you,
you, right?
there's no new DD. I mean, it's memes and reposts of reposts of reposts.
I
Guys, go away. I'm gonna make one of you into lunch, and then put your head on a pike to warn off the rest of you little bastards.
I thought you were the one that sent the somebody sent a whole thread of AMC conspiracy theories.
Not what?
It was no, it wasn't you.
Yeah, no, it wouldn't be
All right,
me.
take a look at this. So, tinfoil time here. Did y'all hear about the rumor about Jeff Bezos working with hedge funds and Ken Griffin to bust out failing companies in the competition because buying
Oh,
them was ex
good God.
that expensive? Yeah, I don't want to click this.
Who was it? Somebody posted that in or at least a one of those type of posts in the Discord, and I'm like, come on now.
Yeah, I saw it in there this morning. I was like, oh man, they need some more dragons in that story, man. Whatever happened to AMC and GameStop coming down Thursday and Friday? Um, I think it'll be. I think it's too early to call it. I mean, we just opened like 30 minutes ago. Come on, Zoom baby, we're looking for 300. Zoom is at 298. Oh, how about Affirm? This is the stock that I follow. This one very good trader on Twitter and on Instagram, and he's always posting his plays. He had a firm. He called out a breakout on a firm at $70. That's one of the reasons. If you guys noticed, I had an alert on this like 2 weeks ago, and it broke out on the Amazon deal. And he's still
Yeah,
holding a
but it
firm.
hasn't.
He's still looking for a firm to go above 102.
Yeah, but hasn't a firm pulled back a little bit
It did.
from that breakout?
This was on Friday last week, so it went up from 60 something to like 102 after hours, and then it pulled back. But look at this. It's still inching higher, and he's looking for a break above 102. So we'll set an alert to see what happens. And he's also really, really bullish on Amazon. He made like half a million on Amazon calls. So he's looking for the 3450 level. He's pretty much waiting to see if we see weakness in the market today, but which we kind of are, to be honest. SPY's red, the Qs are red, but tech is still holding a little stronger. So I don't know. Luce started the Bezos thing in May when he started YouTubing. I don't. Maybe you're right. I mean, I don't keep up with them, but I would assume. So this peak was 48 and GameStop was 230, right? The high for GameStop recently was like 230 something, 231, and for AMC we're like a triple top at 48. The VIX calls are gonna start print. Maybe some the VIX calls will start printing because usually on the SPY we see a pullback on the 19th or the 18th of the month. Every single month we've seen that. So I don't know. Like if you're trying to play the VIX or short some stocks, 18, 19 fall on a Saturday and Sunday. So maybe 16, 17 or 20, 21st. Late this week or early the next week is probably when you see a drop. That would be my guess. Pull up the SPY, go on the daily. The DMA would probably be around 443 or 5. Let's set a little line here. Just set a little prediction to see where the DMA ends up at. Someone is saying BLIAQ just jumped 150%.
Oh, good God. Blockbuster again.
I'm seeing 400% on this. Is that 400? Yeah. You know what's one stock that went bankrupt that I wish I would be still able to buy? Radio Shack. It was trading like at 14 cents.
That's an oldie but goodie.
Hmm?
I said that's an oldie but goodie.
It's only good because I follow this one. I'm not sure if you guys know who Ty Lopez is. He's this online internet guru, e-commerce master, and he bought out a Dress Barn. Uh, is it Pier Imports? The company
Pier One.
Pier One. There you go.
Pier
He
One.
bought Pier One. He bought Radio Shack. He bought a couple other companies under his umbrella. Retail. I think it's called Retail E-commerce Ventures. And they're gonna basically take advantage of the brand that Radio Shack has because who doesn't know Radio Shack and do what Amazon's doing, start selling online. So I think that's a good enough catalyst for Radio Shack to start coming back, you know. But I looked it up yesterday and I couldn't find the stock. I guess it's just gone. I found Ralph through a Ty Lopez video. Yes, I know Ty Lopez. I took his marketing course back in like late 2017, early 2018. I got the chance to go to his freaking mansion in Beverly Hills. It was a crazy experience. That's interesting that you found me through a Ty Lopez video. Sears just jumped 90%. Lou was the first ape to mention it on YouTube. What, the Bezos rumor? I'm gonna start my own rumors. Elon Musk is gonna buy out AMC. Jennifer Lopez video. I miss Fry's, man. I forgot about that. Fry's did go bankrupt, no? I remember I saw the tweet and I was like, man, I used to always go there. Fry's Electronics. Fry's was a massive Radio Shack. They went under. There was a hole in the market. Yeah, Ty Lopez is very smart, by the way. He's a very smart guy, and he surrounds himself with brilliant people, people with PhDs and whatnot, qualified people, and they bought out these companies. Fry's in Dallas is shutting down. Is that true, Robert? Is that true?
I don't know. I was sitting there trying to figure because I remember seeing Fry's over there. I think it was Northwest Highway and 635, and I don't recall it was closing. But I haven't been up in Dallas for a while, so um, you'd have to trust Almo, I think, because I think he's up there. Him or let's see who else is up there.
Yeah, there's a couple people in the Discord from Dallas.
Yeah,
Steezy's one of them. I think that's his username. Adizi, remember him?
DZ's up there. Really, I didn't know that.
He's in Dallas somewhere. No, he's more. I think he's on the south side. No, he's like 20 minutes away from Dallas, so not too familiar. Ruben, Ruben's from
Yeah,
Texas.
Ruben. Yeah, that Ruben's. Yeah, Ruben's up that way too. Yeah.
Come on, AMC. Salva's is slowly just fading away today. Maybe it recovers midday. I mean, it's done this a couple times. We'll see. But it's nice to see some pre-market action on this. Did Zoom break 300 or are we shying away? So close to 300. Not bad, not bad. I miss Fry's too. There was two in Houston. They're both gone. You would assume like, what's that website? Newegg, right? Where you could buy like computer stuff. Newegg.
Yeah, Newegg.
You would assume like competition like that took him out, right? That it's all electronics as well. How many shares were
Well,
borrowed against AMC? Let me check.
you can find anything online now. You can find anything from an e-tailer. So, I mean, I don't know that Fry's had a big electronic, internet presence other than advertising.
Yeah, everything online is just what cheaper. You get it faster. It's crazy.
Well, I don't know about faster. You can always run over to, I mean, you could always run over to Fry's and get just about anything you needed. They stocked everything.
You think if they would have pivoted online, they would have been able to survive? Because they did have an
I,
online presence, but I don't think it was as strong as like Amazon's.
yeah, I mean, if they'd had a stronger online presence, they probably would have.
That's unfortunate. Borrowed shares against A is this AMC? Yes, AMC. There's 900,000 available. There was a million this
So
morning.
they only borrowed 100,000.
I mean, September 3rd, the lowest we've seen is 350K. So they borrowed like 650, and then it bounced back up to 650. So they covered 300K, and then a million. So they covered 400K. So right now they're using about 100,000, I would assume. The highest being 1 million. 100K? I think we're swimming slow this morning. There's some days where it just takes a complete dump. Yes, they were already a warehouse, so online should have been up. Zoom's going up or what? 299, we're almost there. Yes, they were already a warehouse, so online they should have been easier. I could have sworn they had an online website.
I see. I don't recall that. All I recall is my recollection of their online presence was advertising only. I don't recall them having an e-tailer presence.
And I actually like
Or,
the actual physical location.
or if they did, then they just didn't push it hard enough. I guess they would, they were, I don't know. Sometimes you run across these retailers that try and push foot traffic because then you've got those impulse buys. But I don't know how good that really is because I go into stores, I want one or two items, or I know exactly what I want. And the chances of me doing an impulse buy are pretty slim.
You're not an easy closer. You don't get closed easily. I get closed like
No,
nothing.
yeah, no. And you're a salesperson, you
Exactly.
know
That's
this.
exactly
So
the thing. I know what tactics they're using, but I just buy, man. Like I'm just all right, whatever. You know? Like you have to know yourself. That's why I like online shopping too, because you don't have to deal with salespeople.
and exactly. And yeah, that may have been their downfall.
That's well, I think COVID was the nail in the coffin for them.
Yeah, it probably accelerated it. Now, see, that would have been a great partnership for GameStop.
But fries?
Yeah, Fry's has a, I mean, yeah, and you know what? It might be that GameStop is going to end up taking over a lot of these distribution contracts that Fry's is losing.
Well, this is their website. After nearly 36 years in business as a one-stop shop and online research for high-tech professionals across 9 states and 31 stores, Fry's Electronics has made the difficult decision to shut down its operations and close its business permanently as a result of the changes in the retail industry. The result of the changes in the retail industry, emphasize that, and the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. When was this? The company ceased regular operations and began to wind down February 24th of 2021. Hmm.
Yeah,
California, blah blah blah. GameStop needed to get their EU presence up. Yeah, I thought they were already allowing people to purchase from on their website from the EU, no? A couple months back, I remember they weren't allowing that.
I
Correct me
think
if
that
I'm
yeah,
wrong.
I think that they are starting to do the UK online sales, and my guess is they'd be shipping out of Ireland. I know there's a GameStop in Ireland.
Fry's was the best impulse buy store. They would always have
Dude,
like
well,
little
I mean,
boxes of anything, like little portable chargers or anything out there, and you would just pick
you
it up.
you you would walk through there and you'd be like a kid in a candy store.
Yeah, there's so much to choose from. Random wires for 68 exactly. There would just be boxes of portable chargers for like $3. When I go into a retail store, I'm looking for an impulse buy, either that or an input from an employee about something I'm looking into.
You lie, crypto, you lie.
Yeah, the stores are massive. That's where I actually got my first ever computer from too. Fries. AMC is still at 44. I'm still sticking with my 45.75 closing price, which is right around here. Might be a long shot, but I think it's worth it.
I mean, Fry's was really good for specialty needs too for electronic components.
Don't you
I remember.
love when you buy shit you don't need just because it becomes a bundle and it's on sale? That's what I always thought. Like they say this say it's $100 pair of shoes, right? So $100 pair of shoes is on sale for 75. You didn't save $25. You still spent 75. That's the way I see it. I don't know. Might just be me.
No, 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 no. See, I'm right there with you. My ex-wife would go shopping, and I mean, love her to death, but anytime she went shopping, 100, 300, 500, and she'd come back and say, "I saved X." I said, "No, you didn't save squat.
Yeah,
You spent X."
exactly. That's the way I see it. Exactly, because if it was 100, you would have spent the 75. That's the way I exactly. Thank you, Bad Back. Rob sees it too. I know I'm not crazy. You spent 75. Is the cat system active or being implemented today?
It's been active for months. It's been being tested and phased over. It should be 100% active, actually, as of the first, I believe. But maybe they held it off for another couple of days to today. But yeah, it's been active for months. It's been running in parallel.
William, Radio Shack used to sell computers? I bought my first ever computer from Radio Shack, and it was a IBM Aptiva. IBM.
Oh,
Oh
they
man.
hey they sold, what was it? Heath computers that you built yourself, if I recall. I think they were probably one of the first ones that got into selling personal computers.
Hmm. The sale price
I
is the
just
real
remember,
price.
I just remember going in and buying all of the little experiment kits. Those were fun.
See, I don't know what you're talking about.
And you go and buy a kit and build your own, AM or FM radio. I mean, it was a trip. Those things were cool.
Radio Shack didn't sell computers, they were calculators. See, it was like the remote controlled cars and like the walkie-talkies that I kind of recall.
So you bought the toys.
That's all I remember. I don't remember them selling computers. Rob was present when Alexander Bell made the first phone call. At Radio Shack as a kid, I
Uh,
remember all the RC cars.
why don't you, okay, Phoenix? Why don't you just say, "Hey, I was there when Ben Franklin discovered electricity."
I went to Radio Shack for cables for my computer and gaming controllers. Their website is still. I checked it out yesterday. Look at this. It has all the companies that Ty actually bought on top. Look at this. It's up here. He bought Radio Shack, Linens and Things, Dressbarn, Pier One, Farmer's Cart. That as well. Don't send me notifications. I don't know about these. Mentor Box is a company he didn't buy. He actually started. I don't know what this is or this. Yeah. All right, guys. You guys heard it. Headphones on sale. We just talked about this. 60% off. Halo lamp, thermometer. The website is still live.
No, they still got stock they got to get rid
Telling you.
of.
I want the stock. I want the stock. Uncle Jim
Then buy
Cramer
it.
is pumping. I can't find it. Uncle JC is pumping AEO. Oh, this actually might not be bad. For once in my
All right,
lifetime, I think I might agree with Jim Cramer.
if all right, here's a question for you, Ralph. If he's your uncle, why is Ruben telling you? Why weren't you the one to break this?
I did already. Subtly, I did.
Oh, okay.
You got
Just in the you were doing it phonetically by picking different stocks this morning and looking at them, and you chose an A company, an E company, and an O company. Okay.
absolutely.
It
My
was,
last name's actually Kramer, by the way. I just
uh,
changed the C. It's Castaneda from Kramer to Castaneda. That's it.
there you go.
Starsky and
And if
Hutch car from Radio Shack. What were you say?
I was going to say, if you really want, if Marantz is watching or listening, you could troll him by putting up ORPH.
I hate that stock.
So does he.
Penny stock BS. Ortex still showing 18%. And for some reason, I'm telling you, I think Ortex is putting up just random data on AMC. There has not been
Don't
one
you
time
need?
where the SI actually dropped significantly. The last time it did, they got a lot of hate for it. Ever since then, the SI has been pretty much the same.
Oh my God, Kyoto's gonna pump ORPH.
David says gonna YOLO SHLDQ today. What bankrupt company is that? Oh, Sears. It's actually up almost 80% today. Sears. Sears only had like the cool tool section. Gran Torino used to be one of my favorite cars. We're talking about Ford cars again? You know about
I
that
think that
muscle car?
I think that refers back to the Starsky and Hutch thing because I believe that was a Gran Torino.
Buy the highs and sell the lows. I haven't talked to. That's
I,
what I mentioned earlier. Nobody has seen my rants around.
no, not in a few days. I mean, hey, when I had COVID, I didn't want to, deal with anybody either. Hell, I don't. When I had a few days, I wasn't. I'm trying to think. Did I go online and even look at stocks? I don't think I did. I think I just kind of, laid in bed or soaked in the tub praying for death.
That's how you know something's wrong when you don't look at stocks. When Rob is not keeping up
Yeah,
with the stocks. Hey, I zoomed to hit 299.53. It's coming down. Sava's looking for like a recovery bounce here. Let's go, Sava. AMC pushing. Let's go, baby. Telling you, baby. We're closing at 45.75 today. Oh, it's a movie, too. Gran Torino.
oh yeah.
Never seen it. 2008 film.
Oh, you've got to watch that movie. It was a good movie.
Can I watch it on AMC on demand?
Probably not.
The Ford Raptor. The Ram TRX.
When the wasn't the Velociraptor a truck?
Yeah. Isn't
I
that the
think
T-Rex? The little ass? Oh, no, it's not this one. It looks the same.
it was a sharp look. If it was a truck, it was a sharp looking truck.
Which one is BLIBQ? What bankrupt company is that?
Blockbuster.
Oh, Blockbuster.
Wait, no, wait. Blockbuster's BLIAQ, isn't it?
Wait,
I don't
this
know.
one is
BLIBQ.
there has to be a Q if it went bankrupt. That's why the Q is
Yeah,
there.
yeah. I mean, if it's got a Q,
It's bankrupt.
yeah. If
I don't know. There's
it's
literally
got a
no
Q, it's on the OT.
orders. There's no orders and no news on this. BB liquidating. BlackBerry? I don't know. Blockbuster is BL. Wait, Blockbuster is
IAQ.
BLBQ or BLAQ.
BLIA.
Bliak. No. This one's Blockbuster. It's that stand. It's a Hennessy. Aftermarket. I've seen that one actually. Robert. That's why I was confused one time. I saw the tag on it on the back. I was confused. I'm like, did somebody place it on there, or does that come like that? What's going on, Izzy? I remember you. Welcome back. Leh. What is that? Lehman? Lehman. 45 minutes more, 8 minutes. It's more like 8, 9 minutes. Is that like a scene from the movie Sex a Lot? A drinking game?
It,
What was that?
it's one I'm sure he. And yeah, I think he's overestimating 45 minutes.
Oh, Sava, you suck. If this goes red, I'm gonna be sad. This was doing well pre-market. This is like the fifth time the stock pops up and it just completely pulls on back. Remember a few months ago when Ryan Cohen tweeted randomly about Sears? Yes, I remember. He tweeted the logo actually. And I think the logo was slanted.
No, they had taken out the E. They were showing, there was a heavy equipment taking down the sign.
So that means we should buy some Sears stock, right?
What in the fuck?
See, I just pulled up his
Somebody just
Twitter and
did
it's not on here.
that.
Do you think BBIG still has potential for a squeeze? I think I already had it squeeze.
Uh-huh.
That's what I'm gonna say. It went from 2 to 12. I think that was a squeeze. ANY was being pumped up aggressively yesterday. And look at the pre-market. And look at it now. It's just basically flat. We're back to yesterday's and Wednesday's price levels. Opening price levels. Oh, AMC doesn't want to break 44. 80s. Being demolished. Yeah, he took it on that tweet, actually.
He took down that tweet.
Yeah, I couldn't find the Sears one. I remember it, though. I know what you're talking about.
Well, it's all over. It's all over the
Reddit.
internet, and it's all over Reddit. So it's still in existence somewhere.
I probably have a screenshot on my phone. Oh, I found it.
Once something goes on the internet, it's there forever.
I found it. This was the one. This was the picture. Not the tweet, but the picture he used. That tweet was a reference to the Amazon Jeff Bezos theory. So Amazon is buying out GameStop. What do you think about that, Rob? Crazy theory?
Yes, I hate to say it, but Tard's wishing.
Be patient on BBIG. I think there is potential there. I'm going to set a couple of alerts, so we'll see where the stock goes in the next couple of weeks. My guess is down. Oh, Davis says no, that Amazon was trying to short all their competition. See, the conspiracy I read this morning was the opposite. That Amazon was buying them out. No, actually, no. I'm confusing myself. That yeah, he was working with hedge funds and Mr. Ken Griffin to bust out failing companies in competition. I wouldn't doubt it. I would not doubt it. Let's
Why
see.
would he even have to do that? He
That's
could
another
just
good.
buy them outright. I mean, seriously, he could just buy them outright. He could have bought. He could have bought GameStop. He could have bought AMC, Sears. Yeah, I mean, when anybody's posting some really crappy numbers year over year over year, you walk in with an offer and say, "I'm taking you. You know, I'll take you over," and you go away.
That's also a good counter to that. That one makes more sense. That's why Bezos is making his rocket. The SEC have no jurisdiction when you have your evil moon base to when you have your own evil moon base to hide in. Ryan Cohen, Ryan Cohen tweeted about Sears because they uncovered the information. If he bought them outright, the government would step in and enact monopoly rules. Hmm. That's it. See, these are good theories. But you have a good point, Rob. Why not just buy them outright?
If they're already failing, there's not going to be any monopoly issues because they're going out of business anyway. You could just buy them and roll them into Amazon. I mean, seriously, all the Sears, everywhere, all the Sears stores could have been turned into distribution centers, or as they like to call them, fulfillment centers.
They're actually making retail stores now. I can't picture
Yeah, I
myself
know.
walking into an Amazon store.
See, that would have been if they Sears, all these Sears locations would have been prime property for that. I mean, could you imagine the amount of foot traffic these malls would have gotten if they'd had Amazon uh, footprints? Amazon anchor stores. They could pretty much walk in and negotiate their own lease on being an anchor store because of their name.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true. Using that brand identity.
What in the fuck?
What?
There's a guy walking around with a rifle out here,
Oh,
and he's discharging it.
what is he like hunting or what?
Dude, it is a campground. I don't know,
He's shooting ducks?
no, I don't know what the hell he's shooting at.
What? Yeah, he's probably looking for some dinner to eat tonight.
Hey, Boker, go in my house and bring me my AR, would you please?
He's hunting for people. Is it illegal to shoot guns out there? I don't know the laws in Texas, but in Colorado, you just had to be 100 yards of a trail to go shooting. He's not looking for mad cores, no.
I, I'm, I,
He's in a public campground.
I think discharging a firearm in a public campground is illegal in the state of Texas. I'm pretty damn sure it is because it's unsafe.
You're the only one there? There's no other people around?
No, Crystal showed up to camp out last night. She came in late, and I, a couple other campers came in with the little bitty trailer.
Hmm. Is he still there?
Yeah.
Get him his rifle, Boker. You have to have 10 plus acres to shoot on your property.
Yeah, but this ain't this. This is a kid. I don't know if he works here or.
Oh, he's a kid.
Yeah, well, anybody that's under 35 is a kid to me, so
Oh.
it's relative.
Mm, mm, mm. Let's see what these other stocks are doing. Saba flopping down back to 54.
Come on down to 50, baby.
This is like the last line of support here. This was the high and the resistance yesterday. It better hold this level. It better reverse from here. I set alerts just in case it comes back later. Zoom's still hanging in there. Look what Eric said. Boker asked, "Is it an air rifle?"
No, not a 22. It's larger than a 22. That much I do know. The report kind of sounded, I don't know, 30. And seems how he has his kid with him. I'm gonna guess it's the people in the camper up on the hill.
Yeah, we're still here, William.
What a fucking retard.
Mass market Apple car is being planned for 2024. Oh boy. I'm watching like this crazy video on John McAfee on Bitcoin in 2022. He's going crazy. I think we should end it here. I'm gonna send this funny video I was watching right now. Guys, watch this video. It's from John McAfee. Rest in peace, John. On Bitcoin last year. Um, I'll plug in our free. Marantz is not on, so there's no other stream unless you guys wanna go watch
Yeah.
Matt Core's.
Oh, good God. Why would you curse somebody like that?
I'll plug in our free Discord. We'll be on in there. And Tuesday, yeah, market is closed on Monday. Oh, and we have an interesting
Wait,
week.
no,
We have a short week next week. We have GameStop earnings on Wednesday. Okay, hi baby.
you were gonna do a crypto Monday.
I don't know about a crypto Monday. I think I'm gonna just take the day off on Monday.
Week.
Probably go camping.
Week.
Probably
What am I gonna do on my Monday then, huh?
go camping.
I'm already camping.
I don't know. Why are there people? Why are there more viewers now than there was earlier? I don't understand it. Love, peace, and
Because
dogeries.
they finally figured out that you were honest, and unlike the other people they were following and watching, who lied like fucking dogs to them.
I've always
Let
kept
them
the
on.
G.
I mean, if you keep it original, keep it honest.
That says a lot about
You're gonna get
society.
people.
This says a lot about
Mhm.
the people nowadays. We brought this one up earlier. MMAT. I think this is the one that had the merger, like
Yeah, it was
Torchlight.
Torch.
No, Torch. Yeah.
Yeah,
No, but the SI on Ortex, according to Ortex, is very off. It's like 9%. Rob just yelled at the kids around the campground on Monday. Tell them to get off your lawn. Rob is fitting in with the Gen Z camping with electronics. Ether breaks $4,000. Uh-oh. Ethereum is
Hey,
moving.
you should see the amount of string I had to use to run a tin can from Robert Boker's house out here to the campground.
Oh man. You used YouTube to communicate with Boker. That's what happened. Boker says you're being hunted.
That's all right. I still got my sidearm.
The one with the mess up spring?
Nope. I already replaced that magazine.
Robert uses the fire pit app to light up the night sky. What is that? Is that just an app that has like the artificial fire? Like a fake fire?
I don't know.
I know exactly what this is. BBIG is dipping again. Like we said, I think it's coming down, man. A new low.
Hey, why aren't you answering Phoenix's question? Huh? Huh? Why aren't you? Huh?
What did he ask?
Are you streaming bell to bell
Oh,
earnings day?
absolutely not. No bell to bell. GameStop earnings should be after hours anyways.
Wimp.
I'm being serious about Ethereum. It just broke 4K. I mean, look at we just pulled up the Ethereum futures. Look at this. It went over 4. Does that mean Bitcoin is back above 50? Let's take a look. 50.5 for Bitcoin. The legendary Dogecoin is sitting at 29 cents. And Ethereum, according to Robinhood, is at 3,900 again. But it did break 4. It literally went to 420. 4,020. So thoughts on MMAT, sell at a loss or hold?
That's their money. It just depends on what they feel about their company.
It's honestly your conviction with the stock. If I was you and I
Yeah.
saw it coming down like that, I would probably sell. You know me. I sell quick. Because then if that stock comes down to like dollar, what is it at? Like $7, $6? It's $5. If it comes down to 1, what are you gonna do?
Hold
Double
it
down?
forever.
See, like that's the worst position you want to put yourself in as a trader. Holding the bag. Kraft Heinz to pay $62 million fee to settle the SEC investigation.
Oh, Jesus. Did you read what was it? What news was it? Uh where was it this morning? Somebody is paying the IRS huge. Let's see, Simons, Rentec insiders to pay billions in back taxes. And on top of that, all the head honchos of that firm are of that hedge fund are getting huge tax bills too. Oh man, all because they tried to declare. No, because they tried to declare options contracts as taxable at regular income as opposed to capital gains taxes.
What fund was this?
Huh?
What fund was this?
Hang on. Rentec. Let's see. Renaissance Technologies.
Someone brought this up actually, I think.
I'll send it to you.
Send it to me. Ethereum fees are ridiculous. The gas fees?
There you go. I read that this morning. I was like, yeah, buddy. They finally went after somebody with money instead of going after, the working man. They finally went after somebody with money, and they got billions out of it.
AMC just went red again. Little healthy pullback back to 44. Telling you, I'm still staying true to my closing price. We're going up today. 45.75. Have a look at the channel called Trading Secrets. He posts a lot of videos on MMAT and is bullish on it. He might give you some info. Sounds like some confirmation by Simi, man. It's like if I go to if it's like if I'm all in on AMC and I'm like I need some confirmation bias. Let me go watch a channel that's just all about AMC being going to the moon. That's the worst thing you can do. You want opposite views of yours always.
You want balance, is what you want.
You want balance.
You want good and bad. That way you can, apply your critical thinking skills and see and try and filter out what's bullshit and
Hmm.
what's hype and figure out what the real story is.
Exactly. The last thing you want as a trader, as an investor, is to lock yourself into an echo chamber. Like you guys know, I love Tesla. When I buy Tesla, I'm sub to a lot of bulls on Tesla bulls on YouTube. But that's not all I watch. I know they're gonna be positive about every freaking Tesla catalyst there is, no matter what comes out. They're gonna ignore all the negative stuff and only talk about the positive. You know?
Hmm. And that is the worst. That is the worst position you can put yourself in. If you're not looking at both sides of the story, you're gonna fail. There's no question about it.
Kyoto, you're trolling me. I'm not holding anything.
Hold
I
on.
want
No,
Cardano.
you're a bag holder on Safe Moon. Let's
Nope.
see what else. ORPH.
Absolutely
Um,
not.
let's see what else.
Darth
Sponge Tech.
Trader, Darth Trader, welcome back. What's up with what's up with like people that I haven't seen in months coming back out of nowhere?
Darth has been. Oh wait.
There's two Darths. Remember, there was Darth Trader and Darth
Yeah, Darth.
Saxela.
Yeah, Darth Saxelot. Yeah.
It's been months, man. Hope you're doing well. It's very odd. A lot of people are coming. I don't know if it's YouTube or price action or what. Shiba, long time no see. Absolutely. I think YouTube is being nice to us again, and it's finally recommending us the videos to our own subs. Can you imagine that? YouTube doesn't recommend your
No,
videos to your own subs.
I think your subs are finally starting to come back after all the drama with AMC and all the other AMC pumpers. That's not to say that AMC doesn't have its merits in this situation right now, but them sitting there pumping these other stocks now. That I guarantee that went over like a lead balloon.
Uh-oh, guess who's in the chat? Morans. We were just talking about you earlier. We haven't heard from you. Hope you're doing well, man. President Biden delivers remarks on the August jobs report. Says he's not feeling better.
Well, at least we know he's alive.
We need the Moran stream, man. When you feel better. I need my daily dose. I always get a good laugh when I watch a Moran stream. It's in the chat. I think there was three Darths in this chat. There was Staxlot, Darth Trader, and there's another guy. I don't remember him though. When he comes back, I'll remember him. Oh man. I don't think it was Darth Vader. Let's take a look at Spy. Spy's like flat right now. Is it just gonna be another slow Friday? Just because we have Monday off or what? You'd expect to see increased volatility, but it's kind of like not much. No crazy movements on AMC just yet. Dark Trader says he's basically all in on AMC right now. I'm assuming you're up a lot because you've been here for quite some time and you're pretty sure you have a low average price. And I think everybody watching here has an average price of under 20 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. Like 99% of people here. Biden is actually speaking right now.
So he's
Biden's
going to talk about like 60,000 different things in one sentence.
he actually said Biden says U.S. economy recovery is durable and strong. 905 average, nice. Even SPY's not moving at all. Very whack Friday.
Oh, damn, Elmo. Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, sorry to hear that, Elmo. President is gonna make SPY crash. Been looking for a discount, man. All right, guys, we're gonna end the stream here. Market is closed on Monday. We're gonna be back Tuesday. We have GameStop earnings on Wednesday, which we are gonna be back to stream. Indeed, Dark Trader. Markets are closed on Monday. GameStop pulling back. AMC kind of finding support here at 43.81. I'm still gonna stay true to my closing price of 45.75. When you Marantz to fight. I'm still waiting for the boxing match, man. I'm still waiting for the boxing match. But
So what? You're taking on Morantz? Is that what I just heard?
no,
Did you just challenge him?
Marantz would kick my ass. Marantz wants to fight the
I don't
crotchless
know.
man.
If you were to go out there and fight him today, I don't think so.
Oh, I wouldn't fight him. Why would I fight Marantz? Love the guy.
I don't know. You issued the challenge. You're the one that threw down the gauntlet.
No, Marantz wants to fight the 5 crotchless men, and they're back. They're back unite. They're back in United. You might have a chance now, Ralph.
See? He can't roll out of bed except to go rush to the bathroom. So
Challenge him to an eating contest.
Oh, that's just wrong.
I would beat him.
Oh, you would, because he wouldn't be able to hold anything down. First person throws up loses.
Oh, I forgot he has the stomach flu or the food poisoning. See, I wouldn't do that. Biden says he will lay out the steps to combat the Delta variant next week.
Oh, good Lord.
Biden says the Delta variant is the reason why jobs report isn't stronger.
But remember, the Dems were saying COVID's not a problem.
Absolutely.
Oh, God, these people are retarded. I swear.
Ralph and Godpo in a tag team against Morans. All right, guys, we're gonna be back Tuesday. Have a nice long, nice weekend. And thank you, Rob, for hopping on.
Well, thanks for having me.
Take some rest. Definitely we want Rob next week for GameStop earnings.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
I don't know.
I got nothing to do with it.
You're the catalyst.
I mean, I think we would be listening to, I don't know, the earnings call, not me.
But we want you prior to the earnings call. We want you on Power Hour and earnings call.
All right, whatever.
All right, guys. I'll see you guys Tuesday. Be well, be safe, get some rest, get a workout in, get a pump in.
Adios, guys. Enjoy the weekend. Somebody's really slow. Morning. Really?
That's what I was about to say right now. Someone join right now. We're about to end it. No.
Man,
come back Tuesday.
Timing sucks.
Come back Tuesday, man.
Tuesday morning, market open.
Tuesday morning, market open. You know where to be. No passing on the torch to Morantz. He's not live today. He will probably be live until he feels better. He also has a free Discord, by the way, if you guys want to keep in touch with him. I don't think I have the
Yeah, can you tag it in? I can't.
I can't either. I can't create an invite.
Crap. Hang on. Shit. Let me see if I can. Where am I going? There. Invite. Share link. Oh, crap. Did it copy? I'll copy it. There we go. And see if it works. Hey, there we go. That's for Marantz's Discord, and you do have to verify. You've got 2 minutes to put in the little 6-letter CAPTCHA. So.
Are you shitting me? Are you shitting me? Yes, like there's a lot you can add to a Model T Ford to make it a fucking space rocket. Good God, wake up, my friend. No, it's stupid. Fucking please, God. You look like a man with a brain. You know better than this. You fucking know better.
John, I agree with you on the need for privacy. I mean, it's just not a reality.
Not just privacy. Not just privacy. Show me how the fuck you put a smart contract on the Bitcoin blockchain. Impossible.
No, watching this
What
crypto
use
video.
is the goddamn blockchain without a smart contract? Everybody has a smart contract except Bitcoin. What about a distributed application? You can't put dApps.
Smart contracts there.
You can't put dApps on a. Please, God, please wake the fuck up. If you actually believe Bitcoin is worth more than 5 cents, then please explain that to me.
So John, where's the money going to flow, though? I mean, why are people buying Bitcoin today if it's not?
Because they're stupid. They don't understand the blockchain. That's why they don't understand cryptocurrency.
Oh man, that's quite a video. No, I was watching a McAfee video. I linked that in the Discord too, so you guys can watch it. But
the McAfee video where you were talking about the crypto thing.
Yeah. We'll end it there. What a way to end it. All right, guys. Hopefully you have an amazing rest of your weekend. I will see you guys Tuesday for another live stream. That wasn't Robert speaking, guys. That was not Rob speaking. William says that Robert.
I gotta watch it now just so I can figure out if it is or if it's something I might say.
You would say that. It's something you would say. William says that Robert lost his mind.
Oh boy.
I thought the Kool-Aid man came in busting into. All right, guys, we gotta end it here. I'll see you guys Tuesday. Peace out. Peace.